Hey cooks, we just finished our Thanksgiving dinner and I've changed my outfit. I'm now wearing red and green and some Christmas trees because guess what time it is? It's the time we have been waiting for all year long. It is Black Friday and we are headed out to our local outlet mall and we're going to have a little fun. So come and join me. So every year we take our ultimate Black Friday cooking shopping and we take it on the road and we go out to our local Williams-Sonoma outlet store and we have a good old time. So this year, Erica set me to a budget of $300 to spend and hopefully I can stay in that budget this year. So let's go. So as usual, the parking lot was crowded. Every year there's tons of cars. So when I first walked in the door, I saw this Breville sous chef food processor for $199. I knew this was going to be a fantastic trip.
Looks like I can't quite read. Is it $2.49? God dang. $2.49. So okay. So you can probably take what, $80 off maybe?
99 is a regular price, so they're only taking 20% off. You can get that in the damn store. What is that?
With what? The food processor and spiral set.
What food processor does that go to?
Well, they don't tell you. There's nothing on the box to tell you what it goes to. So it's up to you to know the compatibility. You passed up the all-clad electric grill and the Breville Smart Grill. The Breville's got a panini grill.
Yeah, the all-clad is sweet.
Well, all-clad has one, but it's still expensive.
That's it for that. Again. That was fun.
Snag?
Mixers are $199.
Yeah, it does say one, yeah.
That is huge. 14 piece.
D3 14 piece, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's 20% off.
So it's only $10 off.
But this is the big bottle. This is the size we usually get.
Normally 20 something.
32. I know, it's almost.
This would be where you find some of your late crusade, but also some stalls and other shit.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. A snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans for what we're gonna.
Yeah. How much is that? $1.99.